Oscar, no follow. Oscar, hold up.
And drink. Actually, drink first, then navigate time, and then drink.
Okay. Phillips, what are you expecting from this trip? Except trying to impregnate Ukandi. So tell us, what are you expecting?
She says I'm trying to get you pregnant.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is 21st of December 2021. So I'm here at Axari Hotel, which is the takeoff point for our road trip to the Castle Ranch in Obudu of Cross River State. So I'm going to introduce my travel buddies to you. Okay, do subscribe if you haven't. Okay.
Sorry. What do you expect from this trip? First, me too. I have the anxiety. Ibrahim, where are we going? Obudu. Okay. What are you guys expecting from this trip?
Escape.
It be like say person they owe person money for here.
Because I'm trying to download Pocky Mails now, so I'm like, escape. Fun.
Kachi?
A good time.
I'm so proud of all of you because nobody said orgy. I'm so proud of all of.
Hi Shea.
What's your name?
Mary.
Hi, I'm Ibrahim, and I'm an alcoholic.
She has a YouTube channel.
Hi.
I'm Alpha.
Hi.
And Dog.
Dog. Oh, okay. So these are all the questions that are coming.
Many reasons to run away. Still I don't know how you make my day. Feel so emotional when you call me babe. No, I ain't tryna lose my Shiba. Tell me how can I get my mind off you? Oh Shiba, no, me can't take me eyes off you. Tell me how can I get my mind off you? Oh Shiba, yeah, you make me sing up. Shiba, oh Shiba, you make me pull the trigger.
So after a long day of multiple stops in Ikim's village, I've arrived at the top of the hill of the Obudu Master Resort, and I'm just walking into my video. Oh my god, you need to see it. At this point, if you are not subscribed, like I really don't know what you're doing with your life.
There are some haters.
Just subscribe, it's free, okay? And turn on post notifications. Oh, this is some very, what's the word?
Rustic.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Some very rustic thing here. Love it, what's here?
Just a bot mission from there, please.
Away.
That's somebody's room going away from.
Offline. This is a mirror in case you didn't know. This is I really don't know, just look around with me.
This is also a former.
Hi guys.
Say welcome to Mary Odari's YouTube channel.
Welcome to Mary. I cannot open the door. They didn't teach me yet. Oh no, I'm pleasantly surprised.
By the vibes, right?
Yes.
Giving cabin in the woods.
Yes.
Yes! Yes, I love the view
Yes,
so much.
so this is where I'm going to lounge now. This is where I'm going to pepper you guys and drink a lot of wine and get high. And let me tell you a little secret. So if you drink alcohol up on the mountain, apparently, scientifically, it's proven and tested. The effect is more. It's like 10 times more. So if you see me high before, we're about to go higher. We're going higher. Yes, so yeah, this is what it looks like, and the sun is down. This is my co-wife, apparently. It's so beautiful. Can you hear the crickets cricketing?
Wow.
Yes, I said what I said.
English.
Okay, so this brings us to the end of this episode. So it's just the journey from Calabar to Obudu Mountain Resort. It took us about 6 hours, right? Aside our stops, so it took us about 6 hours. If you're coming from outside Cross River and you want to visit the ranch, you should fly to Obudu. Do not fly to Calabar because it's farther. So fly to Enugu. Fly to Enugu is closer to the ranch. So have fun, subscribe. I'll bring you more episodes from when we roam around. I'll go to the Holy Mountain to drop our prayers of how we want to get rich and all of the other things that we do here. Maybe we'll bonfire.
We are going to.
Maybe we will swim. Maybe I will drown. Keep it locked and make sure you turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys. Hi again. I'm just going to show you into my cabin. Okay? Ignore the shoes. The sun is good for them. So this is, I don't know what it is. This is the dining. That's an ashewe. This guy is an ashewe. So there's a room here. It's not my room, so I can't go in. And this is supposed to be another dining and a living room. This is the living room. And this is the balcony. Hello, my neighbors. There's another room here. And then there's a staircase. Please, I have a very strong feeling we did this video yesterday. So this is another room. I think this is the master's bedroom. It's a little scattered, I know it. And this is the cabinet, the bathroom and the toilet. There's a cubicle, and then in there is the heater, the water heater. There's no light at the moment. So yeah, and then there's a balcony here again that gives you this amazing view. Yeah, so that's about the room tour, the house tour. So right now at the top, I would like to believe that this is the highest point on the ranch, because this place is called the Holy Mountain. I don't know how they came about that, but I feel like it should be the highest point, so they think that this place is closest to God. So it is believed that whatever prayer request you lay upon this altar will be answered. So I came. I walked for 7 minutes from where I car parked to this place to make a special prayer request. And look at that waterfall. That waterfall, that's the cataract waterfall. We saw it from the other view. And interestingly, you know, I've always had the interest of going to Cameroon. So we're a few kilometers away from Douala in Cameroon. What's that?
Mamfe.
Mamfe is the name of the village. So if you can see, I don't know if my camera can capture it on their bike.
A lot of them have gone.
Yeah, look, if you can see some very big pictures walking. So apparently they are heading to Cameroon. So they say it's a 2 hours ride on the bike, but I doubt that it's actually 2 hours. So
So after you pass these mountains, you get to a village, and that village is in Cameroon. So I could literally just go to Precious's house from here. Hi, Precious.
We're coming for you.
So I'm going to say a prayer here. It feels so good. Like I'm reminiscing on my trip to Gambo. But now, if you haven't seen that video, I mean, you should catch up. It's so cold, but it's soothing. I like it. I don't know. I probably should get a house here. Oh God, it's so beautiful. And yes, they actually sell lands around this village. So there's 7 villages. I should have mentioned this in my other video. There's 7 villages up on the mountain, in case you didn't know that. And the mountain is in Obali political government, not Obudu, as popularly known.
They have some of the best honey in the country.
Yes, they do have the best honey. Actually, this place has a lot of similarities with Taraba, with Gambo in Taraba, with the Mambila Plateau, because they have the same climate, they have the same vegetation. Mambila also has like one of the best honeys, and it's the same thing here. And everything is almost alike. The terrain, the topography is alike. I mean, you need to come spend time in Obudu. I don't know what else to say to you. Leave your father's house, leave your wife's house, leave your husband's house. Travel.
Leave your son's house.
Leave your son's house. Leave your brother's house.
No shade.
Come, travel, experience Nigeria. Nigeria is actually beautiful. I mean, these places
Can be.
It's amazing. I can't explain it. It's just amazing. Just take my word for it. Travel, come to this place. You can DM me. I'll organize a trip for you. And most importantly, right now, you need to subscribe and turn on the post notification.
Subscribe.
Yes, what she said.
She's a doctor. Listen to her.
Yes, your health is really important.
Also a doctor. Listen to him.
So for now, bye.
Should we jump on 3? No.
One naira. Ice cream.
Yo, wait.
I'm the gentle one on this trip. Oh, look at that.
This looks
Look at that.
The fire has great lighting.
Right? So photograph me.
If you can't, no, enter, boss.
Ibrahim, the rope is cutting. It's cutting.
What should I do?
It's cutting. That place. Go back a bit. Wait, sorry, go back.
Not the villain becoming the victim. A hot girl.
I did hard shit.
Ibrahim wanted to